client is Mr. David Barth, who owns a farm in Blount County. He can only access his property via a deteriorating bridge from the 1940s. The creek that the bridge spans often floods, even in minor rain events. The team designed a replacement bridge for him, which is comprised of a 65-foot prefabricated steel truss, 2 reinforced concrete abutments resting on micropiles, grading plans for the bridge approaches, and construction scheduling and cost estimates.
The most challenging aspect of the project was dealing with the frequent significant floods that occur. The bridge was frequently inaccessible due to heavy rain events, such as the one in February, limiting access to and from Mr. Barth's property.
Our new bridge design will solve the issues Mr. Barth experienced by raising the elevation by 4 feet, putting the bridge above the flood level. This means that Mr. Barth will always have access to his property.
Going into the project, none of us knew each other. It was a positive experience to work together as a team to design a replacement bridge for Mr. Barth.
Senior design is a good opportunity to get a glimpse of real-world engineering. We got to work with real engineers who helped us with some design issues that we had. We also got to use real-world software such as RISA 3D and Hilti Profis design software.